In this video, we will go over how to restore the EBF backup. First, download the software from Linux link. You will require 7Z compression tool to extract the EBF software. If it is not already installed, install it using the following command. Change your current directory to the location where you have downloaded the EBF software. Extract the EBF software directory from downloaded file by running this command. After extracting the EBF software, run the command on the screen. It will ask for the input from an option 1 to 6. Choose option 4 to restore backup. Select a backup from the list of backups. If you want to back up the current EBF before restore, then hit enter. Otherwise, type no or hit enter. Restoring a backup to the EBF server will now start. If you want to back up the /data/timesys/images directory, then type yes, otherwise, type no and then hit enter. After completion, a message will appear on the screen, saying restored to backup, the name of the backup,